Black Friday is fast approaching, but tech and household deals are already here. Target is offering early discounts on popular gadgets, gaming devices, and favorite household toys, making it easy to get a head start on holiday shopping. Right now, you can save on everything from streaming devices and tablets to interactive toys and smart home essentials. With markdowns on top tech, household staples, and toys, there's something for everyone. And no need to wait until Black Friday to snag these early savings. Here goes the top deals on Target. All product links are provided in the description. Number 24. HP Chromebook 14 was $339, now $249. A solid choice for kids or basic web tasks. This HP Chromebook 14 model has a 14-inch Full HD, 1920 by 1080 display, an Intel processor N100 for GB RAM, and 64 GB storage. The notebook also has a 720p webcam and an estimated 12 hours of battery life. Number 23. Razer Basilisk V3 mouse was $69, now $49. The Razer Basilisk V3 is a gamer's dream. It feels great in hand and moves smoothly across your mousepad. You can now get this fantastic wired gaming mouse for under $50, with 11 programmable buttons and multiple RGB lighting zones. Number 22. Costway 5-piece outdoor patio sectional was $1,089, now $430. Spend your leisure time lounging in comfort with this outdoor patio set that features one armless sofa, two corner sofas, one ottoman, and one coffee table. Made of a solid steel structure, the outdoor furniture is sturdy and durable. The spacious seating is covered with padded cushions with removable and washable covers. All the pieces in this set can be arranged in various ways to meet your needs. Number 21. Costway 8-inch memory foam mattress was $659, now $292. If you need a new mattress, this 8-inch memory foam option is a whopping 56% off. The memory foam is gel-infused and porous to help keep you cool, offering medium firmness for a good balance between comfort and support. Number 20. Ninja Thirsti drink system was $149, now $99. Save $40 right now on the Ninja Thirsti, which makes it easy to whip up flavored still and sparkling drinks at home. You can personalize the fizz, flavor, and drink size, and it comes with a CO2 cylinder and a variety of flavored water drops. Number 19. Shark NV360 Navigator Lift-Away Deluxe Vacuum was $199, now $99. This multifunctional vacuum can transform from an upright to a handheld in no time. It's powerful enough to tackle carpets and bare floors, and is superb for picking up pet hair. Its swivel steering makes it easy to maneuver in and out of tight spaces, corners, and around furniture. Number 18. Nuloom Rosanne Transitional Striped Area Rug was $112, now $69. This stylish area rug offers a classic herringbone pattern with just the right touch of color to pull a room together. Made of soft, durable fibers, it's built to hold up in high-traffic areas while remaining soft underfoot. Plus, it's pet-friendly and easy to clean. Number 17. Keurig K-Mini Coffee Maker was $89, now $59. The Keurig K-Mini is a single-cup, portable brewer that can make coffee in minutes. Choose from hundreds of K-Cup pod varieties to make 6 to 12-ounce cups of hot and iced beverages. It's compact at just 5 inches wide, making it an excellent space saver. Number 16. Mook Luxe Suzanne Clog Slippers Women's was $34, now $22. Don't let cold feet ruin your winter. These Mook Luxe slippers are super soft, comfortable, and will keep your toes toasty. With a cozy faux fur lining, they are perfect for lounging around the house. Number 15. Crock-Pot 4.5 QT Slow Cooker was $24, now $18. If you're looking for a simple, no-frill slow cooker, this Crock-Pot is ideal. With its 4.5 quart capacity, it's perfect for feeding 5 or more people and is great for family dinners and meal prep. The Ponderosa green color adds a nice touch to any kitchen. Number 14. Insten charging station for PS5 controllers was $36, now $23. Charge your PS5 controllers quickly with this dual charging station. It features high-speed USB-C charging, taking only 2.5 hours for a full charge. The LED indicator provides visuals for your controller's charging status. Number 13. PS5 Slim. Was $499, now $469. The PS5 Slim is the same powerful console in a slimmer form factor and comes with a larger 1TB SSD. The PS5 remains Sony's premier gaming platform, offering a near-unbeatable library of games. Note that this sale is for a manufacturer refurbished model. Number 12. Nintendo Switch OLED Mario Red Edition was $349, now $324. The Nintendo Switch OLED offers a stunning 7-inch OLED display, a wide adjustable stand, a wired LAN port in the dock, and 64 GB of storage. This limited edition Mario Red version celebrates the launch of Super Mario Bros. Wonder and is available as a manufacturer refurbished model. Number 11. Apple iPad 10.2-inch 2021 was $329, now $199. This 10.2-inch 2021 iPad is at its lowest price at Target, down to $199 for the 64 GB plus Wi-Fi model. It's a solid savings of $105 from the usual $329 price. Number 10. Amazon Fire HD 10-inch was $139, now $74. This 10-inch tablet is almost half price and comes with 32 GB of storage. Perfect for web browsing and video watching, it features a 10.1-inch 1920 by 1200 display, octa-core 2 GHz CPU, 3 GB of RAM, and 5MP front/rear cameras. Number 9. LEGO Super Mario Adventures 71439 was $49, now $39. Create your own Super Mario Bros. Level with this interactive LEGO set. It includes Mario, Bowser Jr., Goomba, and Yoshi figures, as well as environment builds like a start pipe and goal pole. Number 8. LEGO Friends 2024 Advent Calendar 42637 was $26, now $21. This Christmas countdown includes 24 characters, activities, and surprises with many buildable sets behind each door. Number 7. LEGO Star Wars Clone Trooper and Battle Droid 75372 was $26, now $23. Recreate scenes from Star Wars: The Clone Wars with this set featuring Clone Trooper and Battle Droid figures, a speeder bike, accessories, and more. Number 6. LEGO Star Wars Captain Rex Y-Wing Microfighter 75391 was $12, now $9. This microscale Y-Wing is ideal for fans of Star Wars: The Clone Wars. It includes a Captain Rex minifigure and a miniature starfighter. Number 5. LG 55-inch B4 4K OLED TV was $2,499, now $999. The LG B4 OLED offers a 120Hz refresh rate and top-tier gaming features, powered by LG's new A8 processor for optimal upscaling and picture quality. Number 4. Costway Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill was $509, now $184. This underdesk treadmill lets you stay active while you work. It has a 7-layer non-slip belt for safe walking or jogging, with speeds from 0.6 to 3.8 miles per hour. Number 3. Beat Studio Pro was $349, now $169. At $169, the Beat Studio Pro is a bargain. These headphones feature active noise canceling, comfortable foam ear cups, and up to 40 hours of battery life. Number 2. Amazfit Bip 5 was $89, now $74. The Amazfit Bip 5 offers a large, Apple Watch-like screen and reliable tracking, along with Amazon Alexa voice support. It's a great deal under $100 and has impressive functionality for fitness tracking. Number 1. Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K was $49, now $27. The Fire TV Stick 4K is 30% faster than previous models, with a 1.7 GHz quad-core processor. It supports Wi-Fi 6, has a live TV guide button, and offers Dolby Vision HDR, 10 HDR, 10 Plus HLG for video, and Dolby Digital Plus/Dolby Atmos for audio. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more deals.